Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ahmad Fadil Fatin. I am from Universitas Negeri Malang, Faculty of Math and Science, majoring Biology, offering G 2019. Here, I will describe about grouping animal based on types of food. This is divided to be three: carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores. The first, I will describe for you all about carnivores. Carnivores animals are animals eat meat as food to maintain his life. They don't like other plants, but he like meat. Characteristics these animals is they have strong canines, other sense walk well, and some are even poisonous like snakes, and many other characteristics this animal. For example of carnivorous animals is shark. Shark is animal live on the water habitat, and this is lions and this is tigers. They live in a land habitat. And this is crocodiles. This is an amphibian. Can live in the land habitat and water habitat. Next, I wanna describe about the herbivores. Herbivorous animals are animals that eat foliage, plants, and some leaves to maintain his life too. But he don't like meat. This is opposite of carnivorous animals. Characteristic this animal is they cannot strong canines, and they have incisors and molars to chew food. And many others characteristics. For example, herbivorous animals are this goat. Usually eat grass, some in the sheep and the cow. And this is a rabbit. Usually they eat carrots and many other plants. Next, I want to give you about the omnivores. Omnivorous animals are animals that can eat everything, can be from meat, or other plants and seeds. The characteristics animals are they eat many plants and meat. They have complex digestion. Usually they eat the corn or the seeds and many other things. For example, this animal are This is a cock or chicken. They usually eat a corn or the rice and the ant. And this is a duck. This is a bear. Usually the bear is eat the meat, but he can eat other plants. And this is monkey. They can eat many plants or meat. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. Thanks for the time, and if there is a mistake, I apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.